Our third presentation is on GPS-based autonomous robot navigation system. It's a joint paper by Officer Cadet Abhevardhana, Officer Cadet Panchal, Officer Cadet Karunanayaka, and Major KVP Dhammika. Major KVP Dhammika is the presenter, and may I invite him for the presentation. Who is presenting? Right. Is that Cadet Abhevardhana? Who is the presenter? Right. Okay. Okay. Make a theme. May present a video. May I have a theme? Oh, right. Okay. Okay. Officer Cadet Abhevardhana is an undergraduate of Intake 27 of the Department of Electrical and Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering at the Kottayam Defence University.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to introduce you our research on GPS-guided autonomous robot. These members, Major Dhammika, Officer Cadet Karunanayaka, Officer Cadet Panchal, and myself, Officer Cadet Abhevardhana. This is flow of my presentation. First, introduction, global positioning system, algorithm, limitations, hardware specifications, recommendations, and final conclusions. Introduction. This is an autonomous self-pilot vehicle that does not track and operate, navigate, and accomplish tasks. The robot will be inputted with longitude and latitude coordinates of target destination. Determine the direction of target, the robot will proceed to the target destination. If the robot comes upon the obstacle in its path, it will find the path, avoiding any collision. The system is controlled using Arduino Mega 2560 microcontroller which interface to LCD, magnetometer, GPS receiver, DC motors, and ultrasonic sensors. Global positioning system. GPS is a space-based satellite navigation system that provides location and time information for all weather conditions. GPS provides critical capabilities to military, civil, and commercial users all around the world. It is maintained by United States government and freely accessible to anyone with GPS receiver. Algorithm. This module is used input as destination coordinates, current GPS coordinates, compass heading, and obstacle avoidance system. Outputs as steering control commands and coordinate readings. From that figure you can see what are the outputs and inputs. Extract position from GPS. This is a sample NMEA center that longitude and latitude values can be extracted. Extract data from magnetometer. This project is used HMC 5883L digital magnetometer module. This is a surface mount multi-chip module designed for low field magnetic sensing with digital interface applications such as low cost compassing and magnetometry. It extracts XY is a reading from digital compass, and microcontroller and compass communicate using I2C protocol. Then the head-in angle of the vehicle can be calculated. Also, head-in angle of the map can be calculated from these equations. Then finding shortest available path. It is used discharge algorithm for determining the minimum distance from one point map to another point. After finding shortest path in the map, it will be very easy to determine the waypoints between start and end point. The movement will be very safe and it will increase efficiency. You can see the MATLAB simulation of this discharge algorithm. This is the flow chart of my algorithm. First, we feed GPS position of the destination. Then start to search for direction using this algorithm. If direction is correct, start to move destination. If the obstacle detect the robot, it avoid obstacle. And then direction is correct, it moves to destination. And robot reach to destination, it stop itself. Real-time monitoring. For real-time monitoring, we use Google Map for real-time monitoring. You can see the path the robot travel. Feed in longitude and latitude values. We use our PC to feed longitude and latitude values. We can feed this from Arduino software. Limitations. GPS accuracy and limitations. GPS satellite signals can only be received in non-obstructed view of the sky with exception of clouds. And high voltage power lines can create a dead zone when working underneath them. GPS satellite coverage can also be weaker during certain part of the day. Other than that, signal delay caused by the ionosphere and troposphere and orbit errors and receiver noise will cause accuracy. Recommendation. This can be developed for various military applications. This GPS space will become integral part of the battery relaying real-time data to troops. This can be easily developed for short-range reconnaissance missions. This can also reach to difficult areas such as minefield. Installing another ultrasonic or sharp IR sensors can be avoid various kind of obstacles. This robot can be used to monitor chemical spills, perform forest fire recognition, and survey national disaster areas. The new electronics such as Raspberry Pi can also be used to improve the navigation ability of the vehicle. Improve reliability. Improve reliability of GPS receiver by using high rate of measurement, improve the error detection as well as amplitude fixing time. Fixed angular constraint in the multi-antenna altitude system is effective to reject incorrect solution during the amplitude resolution phase of the process. Utilization in the Kalman bit with high data rate not only increase reliability but also can improve accuracy and availability. Then improve the reliability of the vehicle. We can improve reliability by using more ultrasonic and sharp IR sensors. If robot can identify various kind of obstacles such as water obstacle, fire, ground obstacle, this robot will be more perfect. So we can fix a camera by processing image. We can make much better product. For the developments, we can develop this robot for mine detection and marking robots. For that, we can use metal detectors or thermal imaging infrared cameras. This is the hardware connection of our robot. This is the Arduino 2x60 microcontroller. This is the main controller for this robot, and it is 8-bit Atmel microcontroller. This GPS receiver, which is a typical baud rate 9600. This is L293D 8-bit motor controller unit, and this ultrasonic range module we use for obstacle detection. This is a fin configuration of digital compass, HMC 5883L digital compass. And conclusion. In this project, the GPS control autonomous robot is presented which employs a GPS receiver module to capture the GPS signal and determine the current location of the vehicle. The system is controlled using Arduino Mega 2x60 microcontroller which interfaces to LCD, magnetic compass sensor, ultrasonic sensors and RS transmitter receiver module and DC motors. The compass sensor determines the vehicle direction by continuously providing measurement of heading. The microcontroller drives the DC motors to move the vehicle to manually enter destination coordinate. Obstacle detection and avoidance are achieved by incorporating ultrasonic sensor to measure the distance between vehicle and the obstacle. By watching this video, you may get some idea about this project. This is how we feed longitude and latitude coordinate for our robot. After that, it search for direction, it means for destination. Thank you. This is the end of my presentation.